emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used for warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, rules, or instructions from this station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System and the Mojave County, Arizona Emergency